So guys, today I'm showing you a very different place, a very unique thing that I found not by asking some local about this place. I got to know this from when I was looking at the satellite image of this area. So I saw a huge structure, a huge hole in the ground, and there was blue color on it. So I was like, what is this? Let's go near it. So finally I found that area. From here I came, there is a road. So when you come here, okay, I'll just show you what it is. You can get a glimpse of the what I'm going to show you from the side, but the real interesting I'll show you from the middle, from the center. It's a very dangerous place because so this is a this is the result of mining in the area. A lot of mining is takes place in this area, and due to that, a huge crater like hole has been formed here, and there is water in it. There is a river flowing next to it. So I think the water comes from there. There is a diversion, so it comes from there, or they are releasing some water, chemically treated water, from through this pipe into this hole. This could be the two source of water in this, and the water doesn't look clean. It is uh, very much in blue color, turquoise color water, but I think it's not at all edible or drinkable. Why this place is dangerous is because this is a, I think in the local language, Marathi language, this is called balu, which is sand. So this sand is quite, it's a quicksand. So if you walk on this, if a heavy animal or a human walks near that in order to drink the water, they can't come out. They just sink in. So a lot of animals have died here in this place, buffaloes and cows, and I think some humans also. That's what locals told me, and they told me not to go near it. But this is an interesting place, so I wanted to at least make a video on it before going. Okay, so let's slowly go. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is that sand. I have to be careful because for many reasons. So this is a solid area where I can stand and shoot this video. See, it's a huge hole. I think it has been dug by heavy machinery, excavation tools, and let us see if there are any signs of animals dying here. Footmarks are definitely here, definitely there. And see, some water loppings are there. I'm not sure if it's visible to you guys in the video. So loppings are sitting there, and a lot of other different water aquatic birds are there. So this is the turquoise blue water, artificial pond, and this is a result of mining in this area. Okay, that's it.